Hi, what's up? Welcome to my very first video. And this is my very first video, and I'm going to teach your program. Okay, and I will tell you question and important programming. Okay, so number one, what is the programming? Number two, why was the programming convert? Number three, and what are the meaning the typing of the programming language? Number one, programming is not just typing the code, and it is teaching the machine to the team, and it is the art of the logic, characterization, and the control. Yes. Number two, it's always the human to communicate with machines. When you code, you create the behavior, suggestions, and reaction. Okay, so every VR, every the games, every the app, and start the calculation and immunizations. Okay, and number three, there are many programming languages. Or each way, it is over the purpose. Let's see many types. Number one, low-level language, assembly and C close the machine. Yes. Number two, high-level language, like the Python and the Java and the C hash, easier hymen. Yes. Number three, scription language. Yes, like the Python and the JavaScript and correct the automation. Yes. Number four, makeup and styles. Yes. So HTML and the SCC, so the characterization and the design. Yes. Number five, specialized language. Yes. So game develop and IV and web and app. Yes. Okay. So each language has it is on the goal, but all of them turn logic into the action. Yes, it is the term power of the program. Okay, so now you know what programming is, why is the excessive, and that language is the building into the leap. Yes, my journey started here. Yes, welcome to my Alntyfirez, and you. I will see you next video. Goodbye.